Hello everyone, I'm Pamoidian, a member of Birds of Bhutan community and a volunteer of Bhutan Birdlife Society. Today I'm pleased to present to you all my backyard birding but in a little different vibe. Before I'm a birder, I am a proud Desu because after losing my job due to pandemic, I got an opportunity to serve my king, country and the people through this orange uniform. I will forever be grateful and proud in my life for being a Desu. So I am here to talk about how I manage my time being a birder and a Desu. I am currently going through this upskilling program and most of the time I will be engaged doing the training, building myself with new skills for betterment of my life. Currently I am at Tsongkhalom. I would say it is one of the birding hotspots which is in Trongsa. Basically I will be sharing the checklist of backyard birds of Tsongkhalom that I've observed during my stay. I use guidebooks as well as Merlin and eBird for recording my observation. I also keep a notebook for myself to keep records of all the birds. The only time I get to go birding is during weekends. I ask few friends to go birding with me, although they are very new to birding and do not have much knowledge. They would still give me company and I would teach them few names of birds that I know, and I always feel proud because I feel I am influencing them and also igniting an interest in birding. I have observed around 36 species of birds depending on the season they have visited, such as golden-throated barbet, sultan-tit, rufous-necked hornbill, mountain hawk eagle, and the list could go on. Just doing birding once in a while makes me happy and I feel peace. So this is brief about my backyard birding. Lastly, I am a citizen scientist. We all are citizen scientists. Let's come together to save our environment, to save our future generations' dream. So nature first. Let's do this together. And happy birding.